In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Quest 3S is stuck in a boot loop and you're just seeing the Meta logo, you know, the infinite logo flashing on your screen, or sometimes it's rotating, it has its own animation and nothing is happening for many minutes. Well, there's many things you can try. Actually, I'll show you two of them. The first one is, well, wear the headset, and while you're wearing it, press the power button, okay? Keep it pressed during around 15 to 20 seconds until the screen turns black. You don't see anything. Then you can lift your finger from that button. After doing this, wait, and hopefully, well, it will restart. It will show the Meta logo, it will disappear, and everything will be great. Now, if this method didn't work, one thing that many people suggest is that you factory reset your Meta Quest 3S. Don't worry, you won't lose your game. I mean, you will need to reinstall it after you factory reset, but if you have purchased things, they won't go away. So how do you do this? Okay, so imagine you're stuck in the boot loop, okay? Well, hold down the power button at the same time as the minus button, okay? Hold both of these buttons during around, I think, 15 seconds. It really depends, until you see a special menu appearing on your screen. Now you have to navigate in this menu to factory reset. To do so, you'll need to use the plus and minus button, the one that you're using for the volume to navigate. And when the factory reset setting is selected in blue, press the power button to select it. You'll have to reconfirm, press again the plus or minus button, select confirm, and then press on the power button to select it. Hopefully by doing this, you'll solve your issue and you won't be stuck in a boot loop anymore and everything will work. Obviously, since this is a factory reset, you'll have to re-enter your credential to connect to your Meta account. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If you have any other solutions, or if one of these things that I just told you now worked, please leave a comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to know which one worked, and well, if you have another one, this could also be very helpful. Thanks. Check my Amazon affiliate links down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.